Affordable detached homes are becoming harder and harder to find, and this one gives you something that a lot of newer homes simply can't. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom detached home in the heart of Richmond, with a great yard, plenty of parking, and no condo fees. And yes, this home offers buyers a lot of things that they're looking for today. Real space, privacy, and room to grow. No shared walls, no tiny backyard, just a comfortable detached home that actually feels like your own. And then there's the location. Richmond really gives you the best of both worlds. You get that quieter, family-friendly lifestyle while still being able to get anywhere to the city with an easy commute for work calls. You're only minutes away from parks, schools, the arena, grocery stores, local restaurant, and of course, community events like Richmond Fair that make it feel so special. For first-time homebuyers especially, this is the kind of opportunity that's becoming increasingly rare. An affordable detached home with an outdoor space, parking, and a lifestyle that simply feels a little easier. Welcome to 3516 McBean.
Good stuff.